Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to create customers' email notifications on Squarespace. To start this tutorial, open squarespace.com in your internet browser. Once you are here, this time, click on Commerce. Now wait for the window to finish loading. Once you are here, head on over to Notifications and tap on Customer Notifications. In here, you will see Global Email Styles. Once you're here, tap on Edit Email. And then scroll down. This will show the notification email title and the section title. And then the button, you can also customize it as well. All you have to do is open or tap on Edit Email, and then you'll have access to edit it and then customize it for your own branding. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.